Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's mid-morning looking forward video. It's May 7th and it's about 9 o'clock here on the West Coast, so 11 o'clock Central or so. Let's go ahead and start talking about some of these mini markets. Here in the S&P, we'll go ahead and talk about some of this, and then I want to go over to the Russell especially because of some interesting stuff there, and then close with the Dow because really an awesome day, and this is going to be one of them days I'm going to preach. Trade what you see, not what you think is going to happen. I get a lot of feedback on this thing is selling off. Yes, I believe the market should sell off. There's so many other stocks and so on and so forth that are just getting tanked, and the market somehow just continues to grind up here at the all-time highs. I have no idea how it's doing it, but I'm going to keep on trading what I see, not exactly what I think is going to happen. So, I did take one trade this morning in the S&P and then took three other in the crude. Another awesome day in the trading room. Had good profits in the trading room. Most of them coming from the crude market, but we did take one S&P trade here to the downside. As you see, we broke below Monday's low here this morning, and we broke below that 21 and 8 period moving average that I've been talking about every single night in our nightly videos. So as we had that break to the downside, we did take an S&P short just in time, and then it went ahead and turned right back around to the upside, and you see where we're trading at here in the S&P. Trading a little bit higher here at the moment, pushed right back up towards its 8 and 21 period moving average, and that's where we're stuck at right now, right in between them 8 and 21 period moving average. So there's not a lot for me to do, as far as all that goes right now. So I will go ahead and continue to sit on the sidelines here with the S&P, wait for it to define itself. Let's go take a look here at the Russell, guys. This is what I was talking about, trading what you see versus what you think could happen. We have this support that comes through down here. We have this support that comes through down here. And it's been rejected over and over and over again. Rejected initially, rejected last time with a containment ship bar, rejected again with another big candle wick, again, and again. Every time we come down here, we get rejected. We did have a close lower yesterday. That was something we haven't seen in a long time down in this area. So we had a closed lower yesterday. So that's interesting. So that gives me a bearish mindset going into today. Right out of the gate, we had sell-offs. It sold off so much that I wasn't able to get into this with this grind. It literally just grinded. No real pullbacks for me to get any type of short momentum going into this market today. So, as we were getting one of them finally, was down here at the lows, and I said, I cannot, with good heart, take this. We are coming right into our support. I was not willing to take this, so in our room, we went ahead and sat out on this one. We were being nice and patient. We said we need to sit out on this. Sure enough, here we go, right back to the upside, finding support again, getting another rally back to the upside. And since then, we've had nothing but a nice push back to the upside. Having a couple little stalls, but still nonetheless, still pushing back to the upside. Where are we going to go from here? Guys, I am at a 50-50 guess here. We have the Russell and the NASDAQ pushing to the downside still. We have the S&P that has slight bullishness, but then look at this Dow. Remarkable, huh? Remarkable. So this is a crapshoot, guys. I'm not going to have a bias here. I have a neutral bias on the stock index futures. I am neutral to stock index futures until we can either break through some type of resistance or we can really start to sell off. I will continue to hold my neutral bias here. And then look one more time here at the bonds. We've been spending a lot of time looking at the bonds here, guys. You can see what the bonds are doing right now. Lots of sideways slop and chop. Since we broke through our resistance here, we have this resistance that comes through right here. We tested it, and then we broke it. 2-day break last week. And ever since then, we've been chopping sideways. So if the bonds want to sell off, we'll probably get another pop in the indexes. If the bonds want to push higher, we'll probably get more sloppiness in the stock market, and then probably a rollover in the indexes. So a lot of indecision right now with everything. Really some time for me to go ahead and just sit back. As far as the S&P goes, I will continue to be bullish above the 8 and 21 and bearish below. As far as the Russell goes, I will continue to trade it the same way as well. Anytime we get, we're going to watch tomorrow as we open up. Are we going to open up inside or outside the current day's trading range? If we're inside the current day's trading range, we'll sell some highs, buy these lows, and then if we're able to push higher, just watch out for this falling resistance on a daily level. So, very, very interesting trading time, guys. Time for me to go ahead and just continue to exercise my conservative nature and be real patient, especially from an intraday perspective. Swing trades, I'm fairly neutral on them as well. So, hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you have any questions, go ahead. Feel free to email me. It's adam@directiontrader.com. If not, thank you guys for watching these, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.